Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp ad account feature not showing in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're looking for WhatsApp ad account feature, so let's see how can you fix that. You just have to open your WhatsApp app and tap on the settings option in the bottom right corner, and here you will get the ad account option. If you don't get here, so basically there's no any official way to add another account in your WhatsApp app on the iPhone, but you can use another account on your iPhone using a second app, which is also an official app from your WhatsApp. So you just have to open your app store here, and you have to simply search for WhatsApp Business. Here, search for WhatsApp Business, and you can easily install it and use it without any issue. You just have to tap on open option after installation, tap on agree and continue here, and here it will recommend you to use your previous number, but you have to tap on use a different number option here, and here you just have to enter your new number and register your WhatsApp account without any issue. You can use both accounts on your same WhatsApp or on your same iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.